Welcome back at CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk only about Bitcoin. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, yes, yesterday I shared the potential local trade intraday, and I waited my entry. Entry was around 84K 400. It was a logical entry because it was the fulfill of around fulfill of 4 hour favorable gap with the target New York midnight. 84, 800. So this one, but I get a stop loss only 1%. So it was like 83 and 630, I guess. And yes, it's dumped. So I got my stop loss. That's why, guys, entry was logical. So here we got this one here. It was the gap. That gap. This is one more great example. So not all gaps like playing out like a main support level, which we have to sweep, fill, or and bounce. No, here it was a logical entry, 84 400. This one, 50% of the gap, but we dump it lower. That's why the liquidity it's a K. So this one, I'm not count this liquidity pool, right? Because for me, it was like not a necessary because the main liquidity pool was here. But, and I'm not waiting. So we will drop so hard exactly by end of London session. But it's a great example how stop losses is just a part of our job. So I'm not pretend to be always right or share some signals or so. Guys, sometimes I just quite... share some ideas for trades, for intraday, but most of that ideas, I never share, because this make sense. I totally understand what size I'm in, and for me, 1% with I don't know, 5x leverage, 10x leverage, it's okay. It's okay. So I'm ready to lose that stop loss, and it's fun because exactly at my stop loss we bounce it. So yes, I could even out at the break even, right? If my stop loss could be like, I don't know, 1.5% or 2%. But guys, it doesn't work like this one. So if you open position, you open position with that entry and you count your risk before you open trade. So you can open trade with a limit order or, by markets, for example, here. And if the mistake of traders, what they do usually. So for example, I'm open, like example for me, I'm open trade here, 84, 400. The price going down. My stop loss here. So the traders usually add position more here. So you add more size, right? Add position more here. Build your average entry like 84, 200, for example. But after that, the amount of money on that stop loss, it's quite bigger. Or you can remove your stop loss lower, right? Bounce, you could be in a profit, for example, but you will not fix a profit because definitely you wait the target here. Add stop losses, and after that you hit 1.5 stop loss or 2% stop loss and the biggest size. That's why, guys, if you mark your entry, you follow your plan, and it's okay. It's okay to get a stop losses. So it's just an educational moment in this video. So logical entry was a good one. I could out at break even, but my stop loss hit it, and I'm not open the new one. So this pretty good one. So we grab this liquidity, should we go higher? I don't know. My main targets now still can be in play because of this scenario. So this scenario I shared with you earlier. So this scenario I share with you March 24, this one. So I waited to hit around, I don't know, 89K, and then dump to this low. And I explained it, we should hold the line here. If not, guys, if we not hold this block, with this liquidity pool like 81, 100 and 80K 664, the reward can be open even to 73. So that's the case, guys. So what will happen this time with the altcoins, I have no idea. just to be real. Because so often I realize we form something like 3 touches, 1, 2, and third one can be, I don't know, even by 1st April or last one Monday. So in 3 days we can dump from 83 to, I don't know, 73,900. So this is a way, but I wish we're gonna hold the line here and going higher to the new all-time high in April or May. It's hard to say, guys, we will go higher or not, because the worst case, if we will form the Wyckoff and start trade like this one, then form the new high, and then slowly but surely in summer crash it down to 73, and only after that in autumn going higher. So if everything what we see now on the chart since the top of December 24, it's a global weekly Wyckoff reaccumulation, it's gonna be pretty weird, guys. So I hope we will drop here and just slowly but surely going higher and hit new all-time high. I don't know. Okay, if it can be the autumn, would be good. So local targets, guys, here, and global. I still believe in new all-time high for BTC. Some people now, like sentiment in the market, start talking about we go into 60K. I don't think so, but everything possible. Just everything possible. I want to show you just on a daily time frame, because no makes sense to analyze the weekly. I want to show you what's going on now with BTC on perp. So this one is accumulation, and I wish to see one more dump to this area, to form the biggest awareness on a daily. It's going to be the bullish signal and drop on direction. So now no signal to buy on direction indicator, guys. Market smooth. Take a look how the sentiment changed. So here it was a total euphoria madness December. Here it's a trill zone January, hit new all-time high. After that we crashed it down to capitulation. It was 95. New capitulation, it's here like 77. Now it's a disbelief, and I wish to see one more capitulation. So this is what I would like to see on the market more. Money power, guys, on daily. Let me check what's going on. So some bullish, yes, some bullish signal here. Take a look. So this is a money inflow at 94, some money inflow at 82, and I wish to see one more money inflow here. Local one, of course, it was here bullish RSI, so it was pretty good bounce, like 15%, right? But this is not what we're looking for. This was a time to out of BTC. Now I'm waiting this 2 level, 1, 2, that's it, with the targets higher. Of course, guys, this order flow, so definitely with this move or with this move, we will go higher, I guess. Of course, guys, this can be absolutely wrong idea. I just share my idea, my vision of the market. Trade on, guys. What I like, what I don't like. Here was a signal to take profit. It's good one signal because, if we got to take profit signal, we got a signal to buy. Here is a recommendation, close position. But definitely we should go higher, at least, I don't know, 94, 95. It's good. 12 time frame was signal to buy, hit. Around here, the CryptoQuant CEO talk about no BTC bull run is not over, right? So he out from BTC, I guess, and shield retails to buy at 90K. And around here, he starts shield another idea, so we have to go to bear market for the next 6-12 months. I shared this moment in the last video about BTC, so highly recommend you go and check. Take profit, guys. The last indicator, 12 time frame, is kind of weird because buy line on 12 time frame now it's 59K. Daily time frame it's 62, 658. But the same way, guys. So we just like, yes, we closer to the buy line, but imagine the smell of the market. What will be with the altcoins if the BTC from 83K will dump to 62,900? I can't even imagine. For me, all situation with the altcoins, it's absolutely weird. Not because of alts not pumping. No, because last 3 years, the centralized exchanges listed a lot of I guess hundreds of different tokens, and all that charts looks absolutely identical. So it's like a listing candle, this one, and after that, this move, and drop even to under listing price. So it's kind of weird because it's like money laundering, definitely money laundering. And after that, they reinvested that money into BTC. So it's illegal, right? Of course, nobody push you to press buy bottoms, but guys, what's the point of that listings? Why you not listed the tokens which are on the radar, without funds, without insiders, right? So the people can trade it, just fair launch. So it's kind of weird. Take profit, guys. Line on BTC on a daily 124k 600, 140k 450. It's exit line on the daily. So I wish to see this one or at least 50% of this range. So around, I guess 124 and 140. This can be the top of the top for BTC. What will we see first one, 124 or 62? I don't know. But guys, if we will see this one or this one or this one, it can be that pattern, like head and shoulder, guys, and down, but extended in time. So maybe this one is going to be the end of cycle, the right shoulder in autumn. So it's hard to say. So guys, this is local zones. Write please in a comment what you think about the current situation at BTC. If you would like to trade with my customer I would show in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.